off again with the fish in its talons, the bird has to beat its wings with all the strength it can muster. But even now it is in the air, the fish, hanging broadside, creates so much drag that the osprey has great difficulty in making any headway at all. But it knows how to solve the problem. Gripping the fish with just one foot, it manages to bring its other foot forward. Now, using both feet, the bird changes the position of the fish so that it faces ahead, and its streamlined shape reduces its drag so much that the osprey's wing beats become almost leisurely.